Margaritas always make me happy, but I'm not always in the mood for alcohol. So if you're like me and you're trying to avoid alcohol and toxins at all costs, then maybe switch it for a non-alcoholic beverage or something like a glass of biodynamic wine or a mezcal, which is a healthier alcohol-based cocktail. In this recipe, you can swap out the mezcal that we're using with ginger beer for a delicious mocktail amplified with C60 Power's cinnamon coconut MCT oil. It is cocktail time, so it's time to take my hair down. This recipe is a C60 cinnamon mezcal margarita. You can also use ginger beer if you'd prefer. Now, when we're shaking up this cocktail, if you use mezcal, you can shake it. If you use ginger beer, please do not shake the cocktail or else it will explode all over the place, and that's not so fun. So a couple of ingredients that we're going to use today. We're going to use fresh orange juice, fresh lime juice. We're going to salt and cinnamon the rim, and then we're going to use C60's Cinnamon MCT oil. Let us salt the rim. You could also use sugar, it'd be really good. But we're using salt because it's a margarita. All right, we've got 2 glasses ready to go. Now we're going to put a tablespoon of our C60 MCT oil. We're going to add 2 shots of mezcal, 1 for each cocktail. Then we are going to use 2 shots of fresh lime juice. And then I'm going to squeeze these oranges so that they are fresh, fresh, fresh. You can also use orange juice from the grocery store, but why? Make it fresh. Fresher is better. All that vitamin C, all these powerful antioxidants. This is going to be an amazing cocktail. Now I'm going to shake it with ice. So it gets nice and cold. Look at that, 2 perfect mezcal margaritas. I'm gonna finish these off with a cinnamon stick in each to just make it pretty. And voila, cheers. That is delicious.